Right, what's going on guys? Another video, another explore, return visit. Let's get into it. Some of you are going to recognise it already. Here's the Avro Shackleton. It's probably going to be the last visit here. So I've been here the last 3 years, every year. Funny enough, I was a year yesterday. It's now end of August, so I don't know when this video will drop, but I'll give you some sort of inkling. Just look at it. You probably hear in the background there's a lot of diggers going around, etc. That's because they're building houses in the area. So literally this is going to be taken down pretty soon, I think, from what I've heard. It's going to be parted out, or someone's trying to save it. There's a few different stories I've heard about it. She hasn't changed much. I noticed the sea prints that are around the corner, that's in a bit worse condition than it used to be. Sad it's been smashed up. That's what happens when the locations are given out, etc. Attracts the wrong sort of crowds. As many of you have seen from the previous videos, we've been up in there. So now when I first came here about 3 years ago, this was totally empty inside. You could just literally just walk straight through. So they have been collecting parts, etc., putting them under here. All your wires where they've just been cut, etc. We'll take it on to the front and then we'll get up on it if we still can. An awesome looking plane. Yeah, I see someone smashed that as well. That's a shame. Annoys me, guys. That's all it does. Totally annoys me. The graffiti. Yes, the trouble with summer, everything is so overgrown. I can imagine that. Awesome. Of course, the little meteorite etc. is down here, the two planes. And that's that. Right, let's see if we can still get on it. Right guys, as promised, we're on the shack. I can tell you, it's a lot harder than what it used to be, alright? But we're on here. As you can see, it's been trashed a bit since I've been here last. That window's been broken. And the whole inside is a bit trashed as well. So that seat was originally there, that's gone. Like all the, that's what I love. I know someone said that was moving on his own last time. It's not, it's because I'm moving it on this side. But as you can see, there's a digger literally right there. I just love it, absolutely love it. Even the parking brake jammed on, but amazing. Just look at all this. Said it feels a bit funny being here without Kurt, because every time I've been here, me and Kurt are here. Last time we showed Bongo around. Shout out King of Bongo. Go check him out, he's pretty awesome. Like the whole lack of room in this place is it's crazy. And apologies, I know it might be a little bit jumpy, but as you can see, we're jumping over all the parts. So the little dinghy would have been. And just look at the wingspan on this as well, guys. Awesome. Dinghy release. Sad to see the old girl in such a state. Some parties going on up in here. The beds. The crews to take a rest. Two of them. Not much room in them bunks, man. I said I'm 6'4", I wouldn't have fitted up in there. High, low. The sink as well. It's just like walking history. Do you know, all them times I've been here, I've never actually noticed that door. Oh, the access panel, this was open last time, so that's been closed. Even just the old school, like sprayed on writing, etc. Love it. Absolutely love it. Okay, must be opening when this is in flight. And that's right through to what, rear gunner, rear lookout. Bit dark for the GoPro, I know. Low headroom, there's no point really going up in there, guys. The toilet. Can you imagine? Awesome. And that's the return to the shack. Love it. Let's go and do some stuff on the wings, guys. So yeah, guys, I was going to do a bit of filming up on the wing and walk it like I did before. But as you can see, there's a guy in the excavator right there. That's just clocked me, so that's going to be the end of this one. It's a shame because it's nice to see it, but it's getting trashed. Houses are being built here. If you're going to come visit, come and do it. Just respect it. Take it easy, guys. See you in the next video.